In 2019, Bosch Home Appliances introduced a reinvented collection of freestanding refrigeration with a French door, bottom mount, and the counter depth collection. The units are part of the broadest refrigeration portfolio redesigned in Bosch's history and marks a pivotal turning point for the Invented for Life brand. Years of consumer research in the space have led to the product that truly reinvents the function of the refrigerator and encourages consumers to rethink what they should expect. The new French door bottom mount refrigerators were built from the ground up for consumers with uncompromising quality and outstanding design at the core. Setting a new standard for quality, premium refrigeration, flawless fit, feel, and finish, Bosch believes that the smallest details make the biggest difference. The Bosch freestanding French door bottom mount refrigerators feature a timeless exterior that aligns perfectly with counters and cabinetry for a uniform profile, along with a breathtaking interior equipped with unparalleled freshness technologies and high-quality materials. We would love to hear your thoughts on Bosch's new French door bottom mount refrigerators in the comments.